Okay, welcome back, class. Today we're going to edit expressions. Okay, so pay attention. Alright, so let's start off. We can say A. If I click A, if you take a careful look, you'll see a blue bar and a horizontal line underneath the A. Okay, that tells us that that variable or that letter is active. If I say plus, can you see that it moves on? Let's say B. Okay. Now, if I use the arrows, can you see that I can move between the A and the B? I'm arrowing left, and I'm arrowing right. There, I arrowed out of the expression. I'll go back to it. Yeah. A. Okay. Now the next thing you need to learn is the space bar. Space bars will select everything. Okay. Right. Let's go A plus B plus C. Alright. Now, I'm going to press the space bar once, press the space bar twice, and can you see it selected everything? So if I divide now, it divides that entire term. I will delete backspace. Okay. I'm going to click on the B, arrow over to the C, space once, you can see that the B and the C is selected, and then divide by something, D. Alright, if I space, can you see the whole B plus C over D term is selected? Okay, and then I can divide by E. Alright, by backspace, removes it. I'll space, selects it all, space again, selects the entire term, divided by F. Okay. Plus G plus H. H. I can space, space, space. Okay. You see how those blue lines increase and decrease? And then I can arrow through. I'm left arrowing now to arrow through the expression. I'll right arrow through the expression. Okay, so if I wanted to divide A by something, I go to A. You can see where the blue lines are. Divided by 2. I could divide C by 2 by just selecting the C. You see where the selection bars are? Divide that by 3. I can arrow through to G. Select G, divide by 3. Okay. Alright. Okay, so other things that you would need to know is how to erase things to the power. So it will be A, shift the 6 button. That's where the copy is. R. You can see how the R is selected there. Plus T. I can select all that. Divide that by Q. I can select all of that and raise that by 4. Okay. If I wanted to, I could square the Q. Select the Q. Square it. Alright. You guys understand. So let's write out this expression over here. You will need to get your calculator tab up, which you can find under View, Toolbars, and bring up the calculator. So I'm going to say minus B plus, in the calculator, you see the square root. Square root of B squared. Okay. I'll press the space bar to select the whole B. Minus 4 times A times C. I press the space bar, and again, and again, and again, and again. Divided by 2 times A. Alright, so there you have your quadratic expression. Alright. I think that's about it. That's how you can navigate around. So you just click on your expression. You can arrow left, arrow right, arrow left and right, arrow up, arrow right, arrow left, until you have selected what you need to select with the blue selection bars. And then you make your adjustment. Okay. Right, so you need to practice that. You need to get familiar with it so that you'll be able to write your programs quickly. Okay, thanks. Right, bye.